I grew up in America at a time it wasn't so bad. We were raised out in Steep Holler. We did the best with what we had. We had it all. Loving neighbors, land and freedom. We take the back roads to the bottom, where everybody gathered round. Grandma, she would feed us, and Grandpa would kick us out. We played outside, but that's where we came alive. And that's what built me and my American pride. So I know that we can do this. Hold hands and step aside. Let love pour out between us. Move the hate and let's just try. I believe we'll make a difference, one person at a time. Come on now, I can feel it. My American pride. Well, everybody's got a story, some different, I suppose. When them Friday night lights shine bright and them boys put on a show, we all come together. Race and color pushed aside. Some say it's just a ball game. Oh, but I say American pride.